Hi everybody, yeah, today I'm going to show you guys how to replace a rear brake pad and rotor on 2015 Toyota Camry 4-cylinder. Okay, let's start guys. Okay, this number 14mm. Just unscrew the caliper for number 14mm from the brake caliper to the caliper bracket. Okay, just a little bit, make the caliper loose, easy to do it. Just take out caliper to the side. This one you can see quite clearly. Yeah, perfect. And this number 14mm or number 17. They use number 17 from the caliper to they use number 14, different design from the old car. Number 17. Alright, 17, fine. Just remove number 14 and 17. The caliper bracket gonna be out. Come out. That's it. And this one, you see the plug in here, you can release the e-brake shoe down a little bit. We don't want any damage to the shoe, okay? Just release it. I gotta use number 12mm one. You see guys, let me show you. See the holes to hold here is number 12mm. You can use the see number 12mm screw, just screw it in. Let me show you in here, okay? You see, it's much easy, save you some time. In the rotor come out easy. You don't need to tap it, you don't need to bang it. It's so annoying, you know, so annoying. And, remove the camera to the side for a knit. Can you see a little bit clearly on the side? Yes, perfect. Then install it. Let me see how to install it. side a little bit easy. A little bit more clearly. Okay. And after you put it, adjust it. Okay, adjust the e-brake shoe always up. Easy. The rotor sit in place. Very install the brake calipers bracket back in. But make sure you see the slider in here. You need to put some lube. Okay. Let me go get some. Put it. Yeah. Okay. Slider. Just take it out. Put some lube on it. You can buy every auto part they have it. Just put a little bit and back in. Perfect. Just install the storage mate. Okay, just number 17 socket. A little bit, you can see a little bit clearly. Nice. Perfect. Very perfect. So here is a brake pad. Like, let me pull once out. See this pad? But don't forget, okay, to use the brake pad shim that belong to the old brake pad. You need it. Oh, this one a little bit tight. We need to grind it out a little bit. Okay, let me install the shim first. Oh, this one perfect fit. See? Make sure the pad easy in, easy out. Nothing stuck it. For the inner one, you see the pad, it won't go in smoothly, so it's not ready to install it. Let me show you. Just grind it. Both sides. Go back to this one. Let me install again. Okay, see it? It's smooth in and smooth out. The pad had to be smooth in, smooth out. Not too loose, not too tight. Smooth. And I'm gonna put some grease a little bit in here. We don't want any noise come out from the squeaking noise. We don't want it. Install it. It's number 14mm bolt. Boom. Go to this side. This one goes to the upper one. It's all set right now. So don't forget to release the brake shoe a little bit, okay? Don't release too much. Just a little bit. 1, 2, 3. Spin. Perfect. It just put the plug it. All set. This is all set for one side. Let me move to the other side, okay? Let me move to the other side. Here, other side. It's gonna be dark. Okay. This one is the other side. It's a passenger side. Bring my tool to the side. Okay, so everything do the same the other side, okay? Do the same thing, the same. Just twist it with the brake caliper piston. Make sure it's in, slide out smoothly, okay?